How to order a cake from Walmart. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today on this tutorial video I will show you guys how to order a cake from Walmart. So let's get right into the tutorial. You can simply order a cake from Walmart application itself, or you can also use the website one. In this tutorial video I will use the website. So let's open any browser. For example, I'll be using Safari. Now as you can see, I am already on the official page of walmart.com. Once you search for it, you will be also able to see this interface on your screen. Now search for the cake on the search bar. Now select the cake which you want to order. Now once you click on it, here you will see this blue button that says add to cart. Once you do that, you can follow the screen prompts and you are good to go. Your cake will be delivered to your address. So that's all. In this very easy and simple way you can order a cake from Walmart. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.